Hi everyone, today our tutorial is gonna be how to find the intercept of the equation. I'm going to start here with an example, which is find the intercept of the equation y equal 3x minus 1. So you have to know two things. To find the intercept, the first things, the x, put here, the x-intercept is a point in the equation where the value of y equals 0. Y equals 0. X-intercept y equals 0. The second one is the y-intercept as a point in the equation where the value of x equals 0. So I'm gonna do here, as I said before, we have the equation of y equal 3x minus 1 as an example. So now I want to find x-intercept. What we're gonna do? We're gonna set y equals 0. So here y, we're gonna place y here. We're gonna place this y here by 0. So 0 equal 3x minus 1. So here is same thing as 3x minus 1 equals 0. So we're gonna looking for x, 3x. Here we're gonna move minus 1 to other side. It's gonna be the opposite, which is 1. So we gonna divide here by 3. So x here is 1 over 3. So for y-intercept, we set x equals 0. That's gonna be 1. Y equal, gonna replace here 3 with 0. So 0, put there, maybe 3 times 0 minus 1. 3 times 0 is 0. So y is gonna be equal negative 1. So here, as I said before, we set y 0. we set y is 0, and we find that x is 1 over 3. Here we set x 0, and we got y equal -1. It's 1 over 3, and here 0, -1. Let's we can sketch the graph here to see how the equation looks like. So find here x-intercept is 1 over 3 and 0, and y-intercept is 0, -1. I'm gonna draw the graph here. This is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, -1, -2, -1, -2. So the first point here we have for x-intercept is gonna be 1 over 3. It's gonna be here somewhere in this place, 0.25 I think, and y is 0, so the y-intercept x is 0 and y is -1, so the graph is gonna looks like y equal y equal 3x minus 1. So I'm gonna do another example to make it more clear. Now the example is gonna be 3y plus 3y plus 2x equals 6. The first one here we're gonna do x-intercept. That means when we put x-intercept, y is gonna be equal 0. So it's gonna be 3 times 0 plus 2x equals 6. 3 times 0 is 0. Here 2x is gonna be equal to 6. So we're gonna divide to get x. We're gonna divide both sides by 2. X is gonna be equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So x-intercept is, as we see x-intercept, we put y equals 0. And we have here 3. Second one, which is y-intercept, we're gonna put x equals 0. So it's gonna be 3y plus 2. We're gonna replace x with 0 equals 6. So here it's gonna be 3y equals 6. We divide both sides by 3. So y equal 2. So here y-intercept is gonna be x, we replace it with 0, and here y is 2, which is gonna be 3, 0, and 0, 2. So let's draw the graph to to see the how it's gonna looks the graph. So before we see the formula is the equation is 3y plus 2x equals 6. We got y-intercept is 0, 2, and x-intercept is 3, 0. Gonna graph to graph. This is the y-intercept. This is the y, and here x. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. So for x-intercept we have 3 zeros. So y is 0 and x is 3. So this is x-intercept. And here y-intercept is 0, x is 0, and y is 2. So this is y-intercept. Sorry for that. So now we're gonna put the lines here. So this is the graph. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you understood a little bit about x and y intercept. See you in the next video.